Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Loren again. Today we're going to be doing a good, better, best for double oven electric ranges. This is going to be my first, this is going to be our good option. This is the NE59J7850. This is a Samsung oven here. So first, let's just look at the cooktop. So I like the layout on this particular cooktop. You got the 6, 9, 12. All three of these are going to kind of have that expandable element when you can kind of choose based off of your pot size. This one also has your bridge zone too, so you can actually sync these two burners together. And it actually has your high option, where it'll actually link this little bridge burner, where it actually has little wattage heating elements there, so it kind of acts like a full griddle. So if you have that cooking accessory, you could kind of cook with this entire zone there. Let's go down to the oven. This is it's a flex duo oven, so it's not technically a true double oven. You could pull this door open. This comes out, so you could use it as a full oven if you want to. So you can take this out, or if you have two different things you want to cook, you could actually keep that in there. You pull this trigger, and you could actually put something in the top oven, cook it at its own temperature. It's got the convection fan in the back for that top oven, and then down below, if you want a different temperature, you could do that as well. From what the reviews are saying, a true double oven is going to cook more precise. If you want that exact temperature, you're going to have some heat transfer through that pan just a little bit. But a cool idea. If you like to cook a bunch of different things at once, it's a cool idea to have. Not for professional chefs or anything like that, but it's a good option. Let's move on to the better. All right, guys, this is my better option. This is an LG stove here. This is the LDE500 So this is a true double oven. Notice by the doors here. First thing, let's look at the cooktop real quick. I love LG's layout because they have this little textured pattern on the top, so it kind of hides smudges and little cuts, things you might do on accident in the oven or on the cooktop surface. So fingerprints and stuff, I could touch it on those clear glass stoves. You could definitely see them. I kind of like that design. 6, 9, 12, kind of like what I told you before. All these stoves are going to have that layout. Got the expandable elements there. This one is just a bridge zone, or you get cook in these two different temperatures, so 2 expandables here, and you got 3 on this side. It's not like the bridge you have on the Samsung. These are higher wattage units than the Samsung, so a little bit better there. Moving into the oven, nice blue material in the LGs. They designed that so you could actually turn on the oven light and look through this without having to open the door. Also, all your LGs have the easy clean option. It comes with the spray bottle. You can spray it down real quick. It's not like a long, intense self-clean cycle. It's a quick, easy clean option when you use with a little spray-on bottle that it comes with the stove. Cool feature, especially if you like to keep things clean. Capacity, this oven on the LGs typically have a little bit more capacity in your top oven versus some of the other double ovens out there. So a little bit bigger capacity on this particular top than like another Whirlpool or a different brand. So bigger capacity on the top. Bottom's still gonna be bigger than the top for this particular unit, but still, this has got your convection on the bottom. Got the blue material. There's a spray bottle I was talking about for the easy clean option. It's got the auto conversion for the convection on the top there. It's got your speed broil. A lot of cool features on this guy. And price point, this one right now on promotion. It looks like our price tags are out, but these ones typically go for right around $12.99. And let's move on to the best. All right, guys, and this brings me to the best option. This is the KitchenAid, so this is in the Whirlpool family. This is the KFDE500. This one, they have an upper line model, but for the price point, I like this particular double oven. Let's look at the cooktop real quick. So this one's a little bit more simple. You got the 6, 9, 12 inch on the top here, high wattage on these. So this one's gonna be able to boil water pretty quick. This is your ultra heat, even heat, so this one has the this is your highest output on the wattage right here. So this will boil water pretty quick here. You got the keep warm just like your other option on your other 3 stoves or your other 2 stoves that we looked at before. Let's go ahead and look at the oven on the inside. KitchenAid, blue material, not quite as bright as the LG, but with the LG, after you cook a little bit, you can see that when it's darker like this, it still produces light when you have the oven light on, so you kind of peek in the oven without having to open the door. It's kind of a nice feature. With the dark blue, it doesn't hide the smudges and stuff, not quite as bad. This top oven, the heating element on these, if we look at the LG and compare them, these are a lot longer. So what that means is if I was to take this top heating element and stretch it out, this one's going to be longer, which means more consistent heating. So you're able to do things like slow cook on your top oven, bake broil, obviously you have that, or your keep warm option. A little bit longer heating elements means longer or kind of more consistent results. So like the ovens on KitchenAids a lot. Bottom oven, this is a true European convection. So you have a heating element actually in the fan itself. Again, let's look at that heating element on the top. It's got a long heating element, longer than the other two that we've looked at before. This one's also got your rolling rack too, so if you have that heavy turkey, you can put it right on top there and it pulls it out nice and smooth and glides. This one, it's got the easy convection, so kind of same thing. You got the convection convert option for the time. It's going to kind of convert that over for you as well. Right now, this one's at $14.99, a little bit more expensive, but if you're into cooking, like really into recipes and results, KitchenAid is going to be my go-to option for that. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you guys next week.
Or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.